how to add an SIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on SIM Manager. After click on SIM Manager, click on Add SIM. After click on Add SIM, so if you want to add an SIM, so click on search for eSIM and click on scan QR code, and you will click on enter activation code. So you will enter activation code. After enter activation code and go back hold phone and scan QR code. After scan QR code, you will see SIM is open, so you will rename SIM. After rename SIM, you will see your SIM is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add an eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.